So before we get into this hairstyle, I wanted to stop in really quickly and show you guys these beautiful frames that I received from Firmoo. I just love them so much. They were sent out to me, and I've been wearing them for like a month now, just to get a feel for them, to see if I like them. I don't want to bring anything to you guys that I do not love, but I just love these so much. And they have my prescription in them, so not only do they look cute, but I can see as well. Like, your girl ain't trying to walk around blind. But anyways, if you guys are interested in these frames or more popular trendy frames, check them out. I do have a 50% off code for you guys, so I will leave that in the description box. Now let's get into this. Slay it, honey. So I want to hop back in to show you guys how I molded my hair down. So after I washed my hair, I just basically did a part, off center part, and I put some edge control on my hair, and then I braided it into 2 braids with just my real hair to go ahead and mold it and shape it into the form that I wanted. So it can definitely be easier when it's time for me to go ahead and add the braiding hair. So for all of you 4C ladies, or ladies who have trouble laying your hair down flat, or have trouble gripping, you can definitely try molding it down first with just a regular braid with your real hair. Everything will be alright. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. No matter the time, it's true. I wanna be down. Got to be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time, midnight is I wanna be down. Yeah.